Welcome to Chapter 4. This chapter corrects the single biggest misconception in clinical practice that informed consent is a form to be signed. It isn't. Consent is a process and a relationship. Let's be precise. Consent is an ongoing conversation between dentist and patient. It's the authorization of a free, informed person. It's specific to a procedure and revisable at any time. It's a relationship of trust expressed in dialogue. Consent is not a signature collected at the front desk, not a one time event that ends the discussion, not a legal shield substituted for real understanding, not a formality rushed through before a procedure. Those are the failure modes you will see in real practices, and reducing consent to paperwork is a moral failure even when it's legally sufficient. Where does consent come from? Two pillars. Philosophically, it expresses respect for autonomy, the patient's right to govern her own body. This is rooted in the Kantian idea that persons are ends in themselves, never merely means, and it's deepened by the covenantal view from Chapter 2. The patient is a neighbor, not an object of treatment. Legally, the doctrine grew through a line of landmark cases. Schloendorff, 1914, every person of adult years and sound mind has a right to determine what shall be done with his own body. Salgo, 1957, actually coined the term informed consent, and Canterbury versus Spence, 1972, shifted the standard toward what a reasonable patient would want to know, a case we'll return to. Here's why this framing matters at the chairside. If consent is a signature, then your job is done when the form is filed. If consent is a process, then your job is to make sure a free, informed person actually understands and actually agrees. And that job is never finished by paperwork. The signature documents the conversation. It cannot replace it. In the next video, we open up the anatomy of valid consent, the 5 elements, every single one of which must be present, and the question of how much you're actually required to disclose. See you there.